Good morning, Judd here, morning after. Got a couple things going on here. One, this needs to be done with the lighter green. I have the two greens, and I used them both in the original work, but I see in this one it really wants the lighter green, both realistically and aesthetically, because in reality these would be the lighter green because they're young. And I gotta hand paint those in detail paint instead of the rub out thing I was doing with the other thing. And as to that, if you look real close here, some of those spots are not filled with pigment or are just flat out empty. And so I thought of a new technique to try, and what I'm going to try to do is squeegee in the pigment and then wipe the surface as best I can, but that's still going to leave some green stain on the surface, I think, and then I'll just roll tightly with the white again over that, and I'm going to check to see if that will maybe fill in the pigment more thoroughly on this. So that's mainly a test. I can live with this as it is. It's perfectly fine the way it is, but I want to see if I can get it better. Okay, we're going to let that dry up and then go over with some white and see what happens. Yeah, right back where I started from. The white flows into the cracks better than the green does. Yeah, 6 of one, half a dozen the other, which way I go. The only solution would be to knife cut each of these frond elements in and make them deeper, and that would be a lot of work. A lot of work. So I think we'll live with it as it is.